Mermaids, today in this video we are going to compare two different ranges of flat iron. One is cheap, which comes under 1500 rupees, and other one ranges from 5000 to 1 lakh. This costs for rupees 10,000. So in this video we are going to see whether we should buy the cheap one or the costlier one and whose performance is better. Quickly talk about these separately. So the cheap one, or I can say budget friendly one, is Philips Mist Fresher Straightener. Comes with a smooth ceramic plate and built to everyday use. It heats up in 30 seconds and reach to the maximum temperature of 210 degrees Celsius. And it also has a 2-year warranty. This is my first straightener and I am using it for 6 to 7 years now. I still grabbed this first. It is that good. I'm going to put the link of this straightener in the description box below. If you want to buy something cheap and best, just go for it without thinking anything actually. So yeah, I'm going to put the link of this straightener in the description box below. Now the second straightener is from Conair. This is one of the famous flat iron we have here in the country. They have wide range of flat iron which goes from 4,000, 5,000 rupees to 1 lakh. It has new double ceramic plate. It also heats up in 30 seconds and has 5 digital LED setting for every type of hair. I'll put few of the best ranges of Conair flat iron link in the description box below. So if you want to buy the Conair flat iron, definitely go and buy. So that's why I am putting the few different ranges of Conair flat iron in the description box below. Alright, so I have washed my hair yesterday and this is my natural hair texture. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use Philips straightener on my right hand side and the Conair straightener on my left hand side. And then at the end of the day, we are going to compare their performances. Also, I wanna mention one more thing. This is not a sponsored video by any company. They don't know I am doing this video. So please do not judge and don't worry about it. My opinion will going to be 100% genuine. Right now it's 8 AM. Hope you can see. So I am shooting this video way too early because I have few meetings and then I have some errands to do. So that's why I am shooting this video way too early. Don't forget to use your heat protectant. I am using TRESemme, used by professional thermal creation. This is one of the best heat protectant in the market. So I'm going to put the link of this also in the description box below. Not at all sponsored. So yeah. Do use heat protectant and then brush your hair. Alright, so I'm done straightening my hair and they both work pretty much same, but the Conair one took little extra time to straighten my hair. So if you want quick straightening, I'll suggest to go with Philips. Now I'm going to see you in the evening. At that point of time, we are going to compare their performances, which will going to hold my hair straight for long. So yeah, now I'm going to see you in the evening. Alright, so now I am back and right now it's 7:27 p.m. Hope you can see. And let me put some lipstick because alright, so as you know, this is my Philips straightener side and this is my Conair side. So okay, I'm going to show you my this hair first. So let me grab a little piece. Okay, hope you can see. This one is still straight. Oh, let me grab little. Yeah, so this one is still straight. Hope you can see. And this side is, see, you can see the waves. So see, you can see the waves. So the right side of my hair is more sleek, straight and less frizzy, and this side of my hair is way more puffy, frizzy and also wavy. So like according to me, the Philips one is way better than the Conair one, and the Philips one took little less time to straighten my hair, whereas the Conair one took little extra time. So yeah, you can see the difference on my hair right now. The right hand side is way more straight than the left hand side. It's looking like a jhadu actually. And this one is way more straight, so yeah, you can notice the difference as well. So according to me, the Philips one is way better than the Conair one. Conair one maybe किसी के बालों में सूट करे, I don't know, but according to me, Philips one, like Philips straightener is way better than the Conair one. The Philips one is way cheap, like it's come under 1,500 rupees, and this one is for 10,000 rupees. So obviously I will highly suggest to buy this one because it's cheap and I am using this for so long, and as I said, I still grab this because it's very easy. It has this cute pink color and everything is good about this straightener. So I will highly recommend. I am not at all satisfied with the Conair one because it took time while straightening as well. So yeah, that's it I think, and you can easily notice the difference on my hair. See, all the waves are still there and it's all very frizzy and puffy, and this is way straight and not that frizzy, not that puffy. It's very sleek. You can see, I don't know whether camera is capturing or not, but you can see the frizz over here as well. So yeah, that's it for the video. And subscribe, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any video requests, please leave your request in our comment section below. Now I'm going to see you on my next video. Till then, bye and keep growing your hair.
I've been loving